Paper 1, Chapter 2, ninth class, June-July syllabus, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.5, 17th. If 2 into a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square, then show that a equals to b. Solution. What is given? 2 into a square plus b square, that equals to a plus b whole square. Now solve this. 2 into a square, that becomes 2a square. What is the symbol is there? Plus. Once again 2 into b square, that becomes 2b square. This can be written as a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now see here, bring this a square and b square from right to left. On right side they have a positive signs. It goes from left side, it becomes negative. That becomes 2a square plus 2b square minus a square minus b square, that equals to what is left here? 2ab. Now arrange in proper order. 2a square minus a square plus 2b square minus b square, that equals to 2ab. See here, a square is common in these two terms. A square is common, that means 2 minus 1 plus here also b square is common, 2 minus 1 is left, so 2ab. 2 minus 1 becomes 1, so that means a square. Here also 2 minus 1 became 1. 1 into b square became b square, that equals to b square. Now 2ab. Here when a equals to b, then the equation is possible, isn't it? Now put a equals to b. That means in the place of a put b. B square plus b square, that equals to 2 into, in the place of a put b into b. Now b square plus b square, that becomes 2b square, that is equals to 2. B into b becomes b square. Say this is 1 equals to 1. Means when a equals to b, then it is possible, isn't it? Only a equals to b, then it is possible. What is possible? Show that a equals to b, what they asked, isn't it? Understand all of you? Yes.